In this exercise, we're going to install the SIK guide Codemaster, at least this version, into our examples for Arduino folder. It usually comes in a zipped folder. We could unzip it, but I just like to open it and let Windows do that when I drag it to the desktop, which I'm doing here. So now we have a copy on our desktop. The SIK guide is found, or the examples folder for Arduino is found in Program Files, Arduino, and Examples. And I can simply drag this unzipped version over into that folder. You have to be an administrator to make this change. This is a protected area of your computer, and I happen to be logged in as administrator at this time. If I were to open Arduino, this change in my examples folder is going to show up in the menu when I open examples. So I'll click on File, Examples, and there it is at the bottom of the list. But I want it to be up here. I don't want to have to always go down just to use these folders. You know, navigating Arduino's menu system is a little tough. So to do that, well, first of all, I'll close Arduino, and then I'll rename this. If I click it once, pause a moment, click it again, pause a moment, and click in front, I can add anything I want. In this case, I'm going to put 00, which will put it at the top of the list. I don't need to necessarily put the decimal. And again, it's a change, administrative change. I'll click Continue and read open my Arduino. With Arduino open, I can open File, Examples, and there's a SIK guide at the top of my list. This concludes this exercise for installing the SparkFun Inventors Kit code into your examples folder.